SEED stands for Schlumberger Excellence in Educational Development. We're a volunteer-based, nonprofit educational outreach program for students and teachers in underserved communities around the world. Our volunteers are employees, spouses, and retirees from Schlumberger. As members of the SEED community, we gain a lot of satisfaction from contributing time and experience to create a passion for learning and science in the world's young people. How does SEED do this, you might be asking? SEED does it by incorporating the learning while doing approach into all of our activities. Our workshops for students and teachers are probably the best example. Around the world, the SEED workshop concept, which we began in 2003, is gaining momentum. Schools in 14 countries have participated in 84 workshops, which provide an opportunity for students and teachers to roll up their sleeves and share in a hands-on learning experience. In November 2006, SEED hosted a collaborative workshop for students and teachers from 8 schools in the Kemaman district on the east coast of Peninsular Malaysia. SEED is well established here due in great part to the large and committed core of Schlumberger volunteers and to the fact that SEED is providing an exciting educational experience that is enthusiastically greeted by students and teachers. For people who are used to a formal approach to education, SEED provides an exciting alternative that stresses activity, creativity, and independent thinking. Participants learn new concepts in science, math, and applied technology as they develop and collaborate on their projects. What will you see when you walk into a SEED workshop? You'll see people at computers. Some of them will be creating animations in a program called MicroWorlds. You'll also see some of the computers connected to an electronic device called a go-go board. And on the screen, you'll see a bar graph which is showing the values of sensors that are plugged into that go-go board. Most people are working in pairs or in small groups. Other groups of people are sitting on the floor. They're building models of buildings, playgrounds, irrigation systems, all sorts of devices. Other groups are outside. They're testing their solar cookers or wind turbines. You notice that adults and children are working together and that the children are of all different ages. Some people in the group are designated as facilitators. These are the workshop leaders. They include 1 or 2 SEED staff members, some Schlumberger volunteers, a few teachers and students. It's very hard to tell the difference between the facilitators and the participants. In fact, the distinction is quite fuzzy. In a SEED workshop, everyone is a teacher and everyone is a learner. If you happened into the workshop at another time, you might see a very different scene. Everyone's sitting in a circle with one person giving instruction on some technical aspect of MicroWorlds or the go-go board. These lessons are always brief and immediately followed by hands-on work that allows participants to directly experience what was just taught. This is learning while doing. At other times, you'll see a small group presenting ideas or a project that they've developed to the whole group. This is followed by discussion and questions. You might wonder what subject is being taught at this workshop. In fact, it is not organized around a subject, but rather around a theme, such as water or global climate change and energy. Projects and activities include many subject areas: language arts, mathematics, music, art, social studies, as well as science.